Okay, so I hope it's not too dark for the Osmo Nano I'm using right now to make this video. But we are on a tour to make some pictures. Welcome to my channel, Life in Pixels. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to take you on a POV tour, photo tour to be more specific. I'm using the Nikon Z50ii for this one, and I paired it with the Nikon DX50 to 250, 4.5 to 6.3 aperture. And most of the time I come to this forest to take some photos of nature, and I'm using aperture priority mode. I mostly do. I could use manual mode, but you need to fiddle around too much to dial in the correct ISO and shutter speed and everything. So it's not optimal for what I'm doing today. Let's see. Ooh, I'm not in the correct. I was in shutter speed. I'm talking about aperture priority, and I'm in shutter speed mode. I'm gonna set this to AFS single point because there's no point in using AFC, autofocus continuous. It's okay when you use AFC mode when there's moving objects, but in my case, not today, my friend. Oh, I like the bokeh. Yeah, cool. Cool. Let's move on. So I've been on YouTube for nearly about a year doing this stuff, making POV videos. As of now, I got 129 subscribers and around 50k views. This should be my, I don't know, 18th, 19th video or something. They always say you need like 20 videos to take off, but I won't hope for that to happen. Well, I like this road. Let's see. Tone down the EV a little bit. Almost forgot, need to take a picture like this. Oh yeah, I'm just putting these videos out there because this is what I like to do and show it to the world. And if you got a hobby you like to talk about, I suggest you start your own YouTube channel because hey, it's fun. Well, it's all the hassle that comes with it. I'm doing this all by myself. I got all this gear I need to carry. Yeah, I'm filming by myself. That's why I bought the Osmo Nano, because I used to use a smartphone, the Galaxy S25, and I had like this GoPro mount on my, like the chest mount, and a smartphone adapter attached to it, and I put my smartphone in there, but it was really heavy. When I do these walks with you, it started to hurt my back a little bit. Now on the Osmo Nano itself, I attached the ND filter 8, the 8, yeah, because it's a little bit too dark to use like a 16 or a 32. And everything I use in this video you can find in the link down in the description. It's a storefront, my storefront page. So feel free to take a look. Let's see. Zoom out a little bit like this. Should be good. I needed to mention you're mounted on my chest, like I did with the smartphone. So, well, this one weighs like, I don't know, 50 grams or something. Osmo Nano. And I've set it to horizon balancing, so the horizon stays level up until 30 degrees. So if I tilt the camera beyond 30 degrees, it would switch, or no, it wouldn't switch. The horizon won't stay balanced anymore. I can show you just to prove it. See? I hope it worked because I don't have the multifunctional vision dock. I can't see the screen right now because I'm recording my audio. I'm using the mic mini for the audio, and you can see your preview screen if you use any Bluetooth audio. If I stop recording, I can see the screen just to uh, get my shot right. But once you hit record, it stops. So that's kind of an issue. Right. So usually I edit my photos with Lightroom Classic, but DaVinci Resolve 21 Studio, I've been using the beta 21 for a couple of months, and they implemented a photo page, like an edit page. Not quite the same as Lightroom, but it has the same options to edit the video. Not the video, the photo. And that's what I'm going to use to edit these photos. I meant to see videos again. Jeez. All right. There's someone coming. This looks nice. You got this light at the end coming in over there. Oh, like it. Just a little tip I want to give you. Oh, yeah, got him. A tip I wanted to give you was always look at your histogram. You should have the option on the Z50ii you have. So don't let it touch the right side or the left side. Otherwise, on the left, you're overexposing. On the right, you're clipping the dark parts of your photo. So you probably have a hard time editing afterwards. Jeez, I hope this is worth doing. Oh, Jesus. I hope I don't fall in or the branch doesn't break. Oh no, this is not gonna be worth it. Ooh, don't lose the balance. Okay. Whoa. Jesus. Okay, so I mounted you on my camera itself. I got the small rig magic arm mounted in the 1/4" screw underneath the Z52, creating like this cool shot. Now I kind of like have to hold the camera up. If I do this, yeah, it should create a cool shot. But I'm not gonna mount this one because this looks very slippery. But I am gonna take a shot of this. I'm not going to show you all the pictures I take. Mostly I take like 4 or 5 pictures and pick the best one. Edit that one and show it to you. Okay. Wow. This lighting is kind of cool. I'm gonna focus on the bench. Maybe I should use AFC for a moment. Let's see. Okay, so I'll switch to AFC now. Autofocus continuous. My previous video, I put the card on the upper right, was like a test video I made with the Osmo Nano, and yeah, made it like, or tried to make it look like cinematic. I've been learning a lot about color grading in DaVinci Resolve. I mean, I've been watching some videos from what's his name? Darren Muston. He's like a professional. And damn, Cullen Kelly. Yeah, he as well is a professional colorist. So I've been learning a lot about them, but I'm still not there yet. Wow, and there's a drink. Damn, missed it. Oh look, there's somebody there. Let's see. Yeah, got him. Should look nice. Let's see. Yeah, cool. It's a fisherman. A fisherman. Looks nice. Should look good in the edit. All right. I'm gonna switch back to the chest mounts with the Osmo because this is getting heavy. I cannot put down the the camera like this. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna put the Osmo right back on my chest. I will not cut the video. So you see that's like the small rig. Put in a 1/4 inch screw. It's a little bit loose now. And you can mount it in every direction. You loosen the screw, comes loose like this. So that's what I'm using. And there's a clamp that comes with it. I'll show you in a second. Come on, get off there. To reach in my pocket. This one comes with it as well. You can mount it in here. Where is it? Here. Screw that on. Yeah. And you can clamp it to anything. See, there's like a, I don't know if you can see it. You can mount it like this. Show you an example. Take the Osmo. Put it on there. And now you can take like this nice B-roll shot. I'm walking in the frame like that. Oop, almost slipped there. So in one of the next videos, I'm planning to do like how to do B-roll, stuff like that with the Osmo Nano, but that's for a future video. I'm gonna put it right back on my chest. Need to unscrew this. I'm gonna put this one back in my bag. All right, now we're heading to my favorite spot. Look at this, I have arrived. Oh, there's another, see it? There's another bird, I don't know. Here it's called a reiger. In Belgium it's called a reiger. He's sitting right. You might see it better when I take the picture. Take some shot maybe better from here. Oh man, I'm stupid. Look at this. It's wide open. And there's a football right there. Let's see. Just for the fun of it, take a picture of the soccer ball. And another one of the birdie. Oh, there's a duck with some little duckies behind it. So I hope you enjoyed today taking this POV photo walk with me in my local forest. There's much more to come. So please like, subscribe, and maybe hit that bell notification. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.